Welcome to Coding with Kids. My name is Kalia, and today we're in code.org and we're going to do Minecraft with functions. So we're going to go to Code Stuff, continue lesson. Let's press. Okay, so we're going to 2 because we didn't do it before. Okay, it's loading. We have ready the code here. So it says Steve is heading on an adventure to help get the map behind the locked door on the right. Snap the code into the workspace to move the agent to the pressure plate so that Steve can get through. So let's press run. You can use these to move Steve or the arrow keys on your computer. Here's a tip. When you go to a sheep and press space, you can get its wool. See? And now you have to get to the map. If you code more, you can code the first, it goes here, then goes here, but it will be almost hard, super hard. So see, the pressure plates opens to the doors to be open, but if you leave it, then it will be closed. Okay. Now press continue to move to the next lesson. Okay, so the next one will be different and a little bit harder. So Steve continues on the adventure and needs the compass to prepare for the trip. Call the agent to open the gate. So they have to go to the pressure plate again. So how many move forward to we need? We need 4. Okay. There. Loading. Next, the agent can move across the water. Use a repeat loop to solve this puzzle and help Steve to get to the bucket behind the door. So the agent can move to water. It has to go to this pressure plate or this pressure plate. To be harder, let's go to this pressure plate. Okay. So we need move forward. Repeat 7 times. Move forward. No, we can't repeat 7 times. We need to repeat 6 times to go to the other one because it can walk through water. So 6 times. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it can go turn right, no, left. Right here. Wait. Then move forward 2 times. I can just do 2 move forwards. Okay, snap it up. Now let's see what happens. We only can go here, so. Ta-da! We finished 3 lessons! Okay, let's press continue. Whee! Loading. Yes, yeah. So after it loads, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. Bye bye.